Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of Henry Margu's Paris in the color 12H. So whenever the three styles came out, so it was Paris, Nashville and Dallas, I thought, ooh, I want them because they're so different and they just look great for every day. So I decided on Paris because I really wanted a long straight wig. So let's have a look. It's purely packaged. So let's look at the cap construction straight away. We have a mono top, so that means you can part it wherever you like in the section. So you can have a middle part, side part, slide off center part, etc. And then you have an extended lace front. So that runs all the way into the ear tab, so that gives you that really natural hairline, and you can pull back the hair, etc. So quite versatile. And then you have open wefts, velvet, extended nape with Velcro adjusted, velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them. I decided on this gorgeous 12H color, which is a brunette color, but it has some gold blonde highlights. I just wanted something really natural with just a hint of, I went to the hairdressers for hair dye. The fibers feel very, very soft. That feels almost like human hair. It feels lush. Let's put it on. Let me just shake it. So just remove the fibers from the cap so they move nice and naturally. And it feels really light. Even though it's a long wig, it feels very light. Let's put that on in the right spots. It needs to come down a little bit. So 4 fingers. I don't want to mess with it too much because I want to show that to you straight out of the box. These fibers feel so soft. Gosh, they feel nice. It's not even that they feel soft, they just feel really fine. Wow, okay. Right. So at the moment, it wants to flop a bit. But because these are heat-friendly fibers, I can just put some heat on it, pull it back like so, let it cool. Wow. Okay. That's gorgeous. Sorry. Every now and then, a wig gets me like that. And then I'm just like... I think it's very close to what I always wanted my hair to look like. Anyway, sorry. Let's show it from all sides. Really pretty. So you have a few layers in here. Let's look at this hairline. Oh my goodness. Look at this hairline. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. And the part, let me show you the part as well. The part looks gorgeous, really not thickly threaded at all. Wow, okay. So what I'm going to do now is just use a little bit of water because you can see this piece here wants to fall to the front. So sometimes you don't need to use necessarily heat. You can just use a little bit of water and then move the fibers into the direction you want them to go in. And because I want them away, I'm just going to flatten it like this and move it away from the face. And then you can see it has moved it back a little bit. So I will probably use a hot comb to just lay that flat. Look at the layers. There's very few layers. It just looks lovely. Tell me what you think of Paris or of the color 12H. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. And I will put the link to this piece in the description box and pin it to the comments as well so you can find it easily. I want to say just a big thank you to Henry Margu for sending me this piece so I can review it. So stay tuned for my in-depth review, everyone. Have a lovely day. Bye.